The question is, do fragrance-free products perform as well as the products that have the fragrance? Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a one brand wash day featuring the COURTNEYLF fragrance-free line. In case you missed it, the last couple of one brand wash days we've done here on this channel, I have had a reaction to the fragrances, meaning an allergic sort of reaction. Nothing terrible, just slightly itchy and sneezy and uncomfortable. Unfortunately, it's just kind of sort of that time of year here where I live in beautiful West Texas. So you may actually hear in my throat a little bit that I'm having some allergies. And when the seasonal allergies start kicking in, I become even more sensitive to fragrances and products. So today I thought it'd be really fun to put to the test the COURTNEYLF fragrance-free line. I have shown it here on this channel before, but I have not featured it in the current one brand wash day format, wherein we use 3 products to wash and style this head of hair. We use a shampoo, a conditioner, and a styler, and that's it. We keep things super simple, eliminating variables so that you can really see how products perform side by side compared to other brands, so that you can make informed decisions about what you would like to purchase. Sadly, we're getting a little bit later of a start to the day here for this one brand wash day, but don't worry, we will still do an end of the day check-in and a check-in in the morning to see how the products are performing and holding up. I have a very fussy 2-year-old, which wasn't letting me get to this earlier in the day, but oh well. This is what the before hair is looking like, and I don't feel like this before hair is very fair because it has been pulled back in a bun. I've worked out with this hair. This is needing some love. This is what it's looking like. All right, now let's go wash and style this head of hair. Why, hello there guys. Welcome to my tub. We're starting off this wash day like every single other wash day. I'm getting my hair nice and soaking wet. Why? So that the shampoo will work. Now that my hair is thoroughly saturated with water, I'm grabbing the COURTNEYLF Shine Recipe Fragrance-Free Shine Shampoo. It's gentle and light foaming. The main focus of this line from COURTNEYLF is that it is fragrance-free and adds shine to the hair. So they all kind of have similar ingredients. They all have lemon peel, jasmine, and hops. And as you can see, this product does foam and lather really nicely, and I felt very good about the kind of suds and cleansing that I was getting on this first wash. I really did take my time using the pads of my fingers to massage this product over every square inch of my scalp. Really taking my time as I do this, and I can feel the shampoo distribute super evenly. The suds feel super even everywhere. So I'm just going to cleanse the links of my hair by pulling that lather through the links of my hair now that my scalp is clean. And I'm going to rinse this shampoo out thoroughly. As best I can, I'm going to scrub my scalp with the pads of my fingers as I'm rinsing to ensure that there is no product residue left behind. Now it's time to grab the COURTNEYLF Shine Recipe Fragrance-Free Shine Conditioner. And when I do that, I notice that there's still some suds in my hairline. So give me 1 second. I'm going to rinse that out really quick. All right, that's better. Now I'm grabbing the conditioner, and this product, it has a very cool feeling texture to it. It's pretty thick, but it smooths out into the hands in a beautiful way. It feels really elegant. And I'm just gonna start using this product to thoroughly finger detangle my hair. And while I'm doing that, let me tell you about the ingredients. This conditioner has cetyl alcohol along with babassu oil, behydramonium chloride, hops extract, shea butter, jasmine, lemon peel extract, and murumuru seed butter. It's just really rich and nourishing and lovely. And now I'm going to grab the Bounce Curl defining brush and start distributing that conditioner super evenly now that my hair is thoroughly finger detangled. I do this every time I wash my hair. No, I haven't found that putting conditioner near my roots has made my roots any more oily, greasy. especially when the conditioner is silicone free. I have noticed that my roots look a little greasy if I'm using a conditioner with silicone and I brush it all the way through, but not when the conditioner is silicone free. Just something I've noticed in my personal experience. Now that I brush that through, I am going to grab just a touch more water and add it to the back of my head so that I can do a nice thorough squish to condition. And while I'm squishing to conditioning, I do want to mention that this video is not sponsored. I know that I have worked with Curlsmith in the past on other videos, but this particular video is not sponsored. Okay, I'm also going to really squish this product into my hair as this reactivates my hydrogen bonds in my hair, gets my curls kind of awake after I've had them pulled back in a bun that I probably shouldn't be doing, but I'm gonna do anyway. You can see that my curl clumps are really juicy and happy and hydrated and well-defined. This is a good sign. This means that I shampooed and conditioned well, so now I'm going to follow the instructions on the conditioner and rinse it out thoroughly, making sure to scrub the scalp with the pads of my fingers as I do so, rinsing this conditioner out all the way. Now it's time to define my curl clumps, and I'm going to use that Bounce Curl defining brush one more time. I really love this brush. It kind of combines both a wet brush and a wide tooth comb into one tool and allows me to define my curls with one pass of a brush instead of having to use a wet brush and then a wide tooth comb after. All right, now that my curl clumps are defined, I'm going to give my hair a quick little scrunch to make sure that everything is organized the way that I want. Once I've done that, I'm going to grab the Curlsmith Shine Recipe Fragrance-Free Shine Gel. This one's the Lasting Definition Frizz Control Hold Level 9. They do have a jelly, I believe, in the line as well that's a hold level 6, but this is the stronger hold gel. I'm going to grab quite the dollop, okay? I'm loving using a lot of gel lately. Don't judge me, or judge me. Do what you want, it's the internet. I do love how this product smooths out and is really easy to apply to the hair. I'm just gonna kind of glaze this over everywhere. Front, back, sides, middle, crown section, all over, really even coating before I start to scrunch and pulse this into every single curl clump. This product does contain polyquaternium 69, which is a great humidity blocking ingredient. This is the main hold ingredient in this product. It also contains hydrogenated castor oil, which is what's going to really lend a lot of beautiful shine to the hair once this product is 100% dry. It also has that hops extract, jasmine flower extract, lemon peel extract that is in the shampoo and the conditioner as well. Once I've got that product thoroughly scrunched in, this is what my curl clumps are looking like. There's a little bit of wet frizz, but it's nothing too terrible. Now I'm just going to go plop my hair and diffuse and be back to scrunch out the crunch with you guys. And here we are, guys, with my hair 100% dry. I did diffuse it to roughly 90% dry after I had plopped it, and then I let it finish air drying the rest of the way in the cast, as per usual. And we kinda sorta got a cast today. I love a good gel cast. Why is that? Why do I want crunchy curls? I'm so glad you asked. It's because when that gel cast dries around each of my curl clumps, it really helps set that curl in place really, really well as it's drying. Gels that don't give me crunchy curls or a cast don't necessarily lend as much structure to my hair as it's drying, so that curl family doesn't get a chance to fully form and set properly when it's damp, going from damp to dry. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now, how do we get rid of crunchy curls? Because I don't love them. Like, I love them. I love my crunchy curls, but I'm done. I'm done with my crunchy curls. I would like for them to go away now. Now that my hair is 100% dry, I am going to scrunch out that crunch. That will break that gel cast. My hair no longer needs the gel cast as much because it's dry. It's not going to do much more to my hair now that my hair is 100% dry. Well, I say that. If your hair is in the transition phase, leaving your hair in the gel cast for longer can really help reactivate your curl memory. So if you're really struggling with your curls falling right after you scrunch out the crunch, it could be that your curl memory just hasn't come back in full force yet, and leaving your hair in the cast for longer may be more beneficial to you. I don't notice that my curls droop after I break the cast, so I don't necessarily need to leave my hair in the cast way longer after it's 100% dry. Woo! That's looking pretty. And it's shiny. The Shine recipe line from Curlsmith does make my curls really shiny. Look at that. That's pretty. It did take quite a bit to break that cast. That was a pretty stubborn cast. Let's take a look at the final wash day result. Now the trick is to see how this wash day wears throughout my wild and crazy mom life. We do have a lot of fun kiddo activities this afternoon, so this hair will get some wear and tear on it. Even though we started this wash day a little bit later in the day, we'll still put this puppy to the test and see how it does. I still have a bit of a cast like right here. That's amazing. Wow. And I'll be back on the morning of day 2 to show you how it held up overnight. And here we are at the end of the day. It is quite late for me. Anyway, usually we do these check-ins a little bit earlier, so hopefully we're getting a really fair comparison and looking at how this wash day wore, even though we started it slightly later in the day. I am having quite a bit of frizz, but I did spend the majority of the afternoon outdoors. Let's see if just kind of moving stuff around and giving it a little bit of a fluff and scrunch helps things. Yeah, I would say that that helped quite a bit. Now let's take a look at the back. I would say that these fragrance-free products are doing quite well. They are performing absolutely beautifully. As always, I will be back in the morning to show you how it held up overnight. And here we are on the morning of day 2. Things are still looking pretty darn good. It has loosened up a bit, stretched out at the roots. The shine is still really good. I am having, can you see it? I like that I have a dark background and a light background. My hair is one of those colors that makes it really difficult to see and highlight the frizz, so I have like 2 options to show you here. There's some frizz. It's not terrible. It's not great. Let's take a quick look at the back. I do want to talk about something that I've heard other people talk about in regards to this shampoo and conditioner combo. It does have that hydrogenated castor oil in it, and some people feel that with repeated use, these products can build up a little bit on the hair. That being said, in preparation for this video, and to give my allergies a break, I have actually been using the shampoo and conditioner combo every time I wash my hair for the past several washes. I wash my hair every 2 to 3 days, and I've been using these. I am not noticing any sort of buildup with prolonged use with these products. So that is my personal experience, and it's nice because my allergies are getting a break, at least from the fragrances in the products. Maybe not from the weather around me, but at least my hair care is doing good things. As for the gel, this is such a good gel. It does give the hair kind of some grit and zhuzh and a lot of volume and a lot of hold. So if you are looking for a more gritty sort of gel that's gonna add some texture while also adding hold to your hair, this is a fantastic option. So I sure hope this video was helpful to you, especially if you were struggling with fragrances in your products. Make sure to like this video and share it with a friend if you found it helpful. And as always, I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!